beautiful series on the occasion of Mother's Day, hashtag not guilty. And you all have seen Tulsi in various avatars, be it be a beautiful singer, be it be a dubbing artist, be it be performing on stage. But a very few of you know that how she plays the role of a mother, and that side of hers we will explore in this interview. Welcome.
Hi, thank you so much. I'm very, very excited for this interview because I'm sure it's going to be very different from all the other interviews that I've done.
Absolutely. Tulsi, you started at a very young, working at a very young age. But what happens is that once you become a mother and you still have those dreams, those work, and those priorities around you, there is a certain kind of guilt which accumulates inside you. So, my question to you is that what is that one thing that you taught to yourself that no, I will not take the guilt of following my dreams?
Well, I think, I just became a mother 2 years back and I'm a very new kind of a mom. I think motherhood, firstly, to begin with, is such a beautiful feeling. And, I used to hear people saying, this feeling can't be, you can't express it in words. You can only feel it once you become a mother. And I totally second that now. So I never stopped then. And then when I gave birth to Shivai, I didn't really think or plan anything that I will be continuing, I will be stopping. I just went with the flow. But by God's grace, and I would say Shibai has been very lucky for me because some of my best songs of my career came out after I became a mom. Whether
Yes.
it's the song from Kabir Singh, like last year was exceptionally good for me, touch wood. And I just look at it that way that, when a woman, when a girl wants to achieve something and she has her, the zest to work hard and the zest to multitask, because I will not say it is easy.
Cool. And when you said that your best work in terms of songs and singing, it happened post Shivai. So let's have a high five on that.
Yes.
Because in my life also, I think my work started multiplying post my daughter's birth. And on that note, since you mentioned Kabir Singh, before we move on, it would be great if you can sing two lines of Kabir Singh song.
Definitely I'll do that. And I'll kind of hum these for my son, so I'll pick it up from these lines. Hmm. लखा तो जुदा मैं हुई तेरी खातिर, तू ही मंजिल दिल तेरा मुसाफिर, रब नू भुला बैठी तेरे करके मैं हो गई काफिर, तेरे लिए मैं जहाँ से टकराऊंगी सब कुछ खो के तुझको ही पाऊंगी, दिल बन के मैं दिल धड़काऊंगी, मैं तेरे बन जाऊंगी, मैं तेरे बन जाऊंगी. This is in a way for my son because I think he is my most important person and my biggest priority currently.
Absolutely. And that's what I'm about to mention, that everyone must have heard this song from a romantic perspective.
Yes.
But when
Actually, it's
Tulsi
the
Kumar as a mother is singing this song, all the lyrics, they fit so well, in that feeling of motherhood. Okay, great. I just want to know that a lot of people know you as a singer, but very less people know you as a dubbing artist who is a very versatile dubbing artist. So I want to frame two questions. A, you are on a plus point that you can easily sing a beautiful lullaby to your kid. Okay, so you are on a plus point. And second is कि आपके बेटे को शिवाय को कहानियां तो आप मतलब तरह तरह की आवाजों में सुना देती होगी. So share some incident on that, and we would like to have an example also.
Actually, very few people know that I am a dubbing artist, and there's this channel on YouTube which is called Kids Hut, and all the voices on that channel are by me. A lot of people who heard it for the first time, they were very stunned and shocked that, how do you tweak your voice? But this is something I didn't know about myself till the time I actually started dubbing for this channel. And the channel has over 1 million subscribers, a lot of love comes in. And yes, Shibai has just started understanding right now. Till now, I was just humming nursery rhymes to him. By the way, he also sings a lot of film songs already. So yeah, there are a couple of characters on the channel, and there are a lot of animated characters also. So the lion, or there's a small kid, and he's called Tofu. So I kind of mellow down my voice for the kid. Hi Tia, how are you doing? Like something like that. And then Tia is the older sister. So Tia goes, I'm fine, Tofu. How are you? And when it's for a lion or a mouse, I kind of tweak the voices accordingly.
Absolutely. One thing that your mother had, but you don't have.
Oh, my mom cooks amazingly, and I'm not a cook. I can't say bad or good because I've never really cooked. It's just during this lockdown period I've started going and cooking things for Shivai. Play a lot with him. We do Ringa Ringa Roses, we do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So that's all that I do with him, and I'm actually going round and round with him. So I actually behave like a kid when I am with him.
Yeah, you, and the best part is that your face and your voice helps a lot in that.
Thank you.
Okay. जनरली बच्चे जब छोटे होते हैं ना, तो एज वर्किंग मदर्स काफी सारी चीजें प्रायोरिटाइज करने के लिए, मैनेज करने के लिए हम उन्हें से छोटे मोटे झूठ बोल देते हैं. So one lie that you told to Shivai, or you have been telling to him.
Actually, that way Shivai has been a wonderful kid, touchwood. And I've never really lied to him and gone anywhere. I've always said that, Mama's going to sing a song, Mama's going to the studio, Mama's going for work to Mumbai, even for a day when I have to leave him. So he's very understanding like that. He's not a very clingy child. And yeah, my husband's always there to take care of him, and he's very attached to him as well. So I think we both kind of balance it out together.
Absolutely. Any song on Mother's Day that you would like to sing and dedicate to all those mothers who are dreamers, achievers, go-getters, and just refuse to go on a guilt trip?
Well, honestly, I haven't thought of a song. If you told
you can
me
take time.
I would actually like to give a message rather than a song. I think we all women are very, very strong. We just don't know about our strength some of the times. All we need is a little bit of support from our family side. And if we have it within us, I think we can achieve really, really great heights.
Absolutely, but still, because we have got right now in front of us, I would not let you go without singing.
Yes,
Any song of your choice.
I will definitely sing one of my most loved songs, and it's called Soch Na Sake. Tenu itna main pyar kara, ek pal vich savar kara, tu jaave je mainu chhad ke, मौत का इंतजार करा कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांसों के रुके, मैं तुझको कितना चाहती हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके. तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांसों के रुके, मैं तुझको कितना चाहती हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके. This is to all the women out there. Be in love. Be in love with yourselves. Be in love with the work y'all do.